I walk the whole route. It wouldn't be so bad if the sidewalk plows were out and the sidewalks were cleared.
Right.
But it's very difficult, yeah. And everybody's home. Nobody wants to shovel until the snow is all done. So
where does that leave people like you?
struggling to get through. Yeah.
What are you asking of people then during the storm?
Well, there's really not much they can do. If the steps were cleared and just the sidewalk in front of their house, it would be great. It would be much easier. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
You be careful. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Well, it started out, there's ice underneath everything. Like Route 63, I was out there earlier today. It's nothing but ice. You know, people, need to take caution. Roads are very slippery. Even the roads that are plowed, there's ice underneath there, so they need to take caution and be safe out there. I mean, between us and Precies, we try to get the area covered for anybody that has the unfortunate if there's an accident or end up in the ditch, but we hope we don't have to see you out there, but we are here if you need us.
Yeah.
So.